Today we'll be talking about subject of formula. Now, this question says that it should make Q the subject of formula in the equation mn over a square minus pq over b square equal to 1. So what you're asked to make the subject formula is Q. Where is the Q? The Q is here. Remember, what you're asked to find is Q, not MQ, not PQ, not minus Q, right? So let's move into action. So anything that you know you're going to do to move the rest of the term to the other side, you do it, right? Only Q will stand on its own. Q will be isolated. That is, it will stand either on the left-hand side or the right-hand side alone, equating the rest of the terms. Now, let's move into action. Now, the question, right? This is the question. So there will be need for me to write it again. So now, this is a negative term, right? This is negative. So I want it to be positive. I want it to be positive. So I'll move it to the right-hand side, right? Move it to the right-hand side. So what we have on the left-hand side will be mn over a square equal to p q over eq minus 1, right? Now, I'll then move this one to this side. I'll move this one to the left-hand side to become minus 1. So this will be mn over a square minus 1 equal to pq over v square. pq over v square. So the next thing we are supposed to do is multiply both sides by this b square. Multiply both sides so that we can be able to remove this b square. So you multiply both sides by b square. So if you multiply this side by b square, what will be left is pq. If you multiply this side by b square, you have b square multiplied by mn over a square minus 1 equal to pq. Now, the next thing to do to make q the subject of formula is to divide both sides by p. Now, if you divide both sides by p, what you have here will be b square, open bracket, mn over a square minus 1, close bracket, all over p, right, equal to q. Now, you can decide to leave this question like this, but if this is a UTME question, you'll be given options. So sometimes this will be broken down into smaller parts, sometimes it may not be broken down. It may be left like this. If it is left like this, you can just answer your question. But anyhow it is being left, right? You choose how you answer it. So I want you to drop in the comment section another way I can write this very answer. You know another way that I can write this answer? Write it on the comment section. Thank you. I believe you enjoyed this class. Please don't forget to like, follow us. Thank you.
Subscribe for more of this kind of content. Thank you.